What about health insurance? That's again another area where the government has been trying under a different section
Correct.
to give benefits to people so that they go out there and buy health insurance. And planners like you keep saying that one of the first things you should do is to buy yourself a health insurance when you're young, when you're likely to get it much cheaper and much more easier.
Yeah.
Because you don't have health issues at that point of time. The scrutiny is far better, easier for you.
Yeah.
Can you tell us a little about the tax benefits of health insurance and why it makes sense to fully take advantage of these benefits?
See, health insurance comes under Section 80D of the Act, and if you look at the budgets also over the last few years, they have been actually pushing this up very subtly and increasing the benefits being given to the assessees as far as the health insurance premiums are concerned. And besides premium, they're even giving, which is very good actually if you look at it, on preventive measures. So, for example, the current provision says that for a young couple, you're allowed to save up to per person 25,000 rupees on the medical insurance premium, and that's also includes up to 5,000 rupees on preventive medical health checkup. So, therefore, the cues coming out is that please get yourself checked, get yourself insured, which also helps you in your tax planning. The entire premium which you pay up to a limit of 25,000 rupees can be deducted from your gross taxable income. So which means if you are in the highest tax
benefit
bracket,
if I get it for my parents, for example.
So I am coming to that. So that's for an individual, and for, let's say, if you are married, so both of you can claim it separately. Now, if you have parents and they are senior citizen, an additional 30,000 rupees is given over and above what you can use for yourself. So it's 25,000 plus 30,000 rupees, which is the benefit available. So if you pay the premium, if I am paying the premium for my parents, then I can claim 25,000 for myself and 30,000 rupees over and above that for my parents also. So totality, I can claim up to 55,000 rupees as a benefit of deduction of medical insurance from my gross taxable income. So please ensure that you are able to use it to the maximum you can, and more importantly, this is an advantage you are getting. But besides that, do get a health insurance done for yourself. That's important, critical, because the current inflation, India is a high inflation rate country. But if you look at the numbers only in isolation of the health, it's supposedly one of the highest in the world. On an average over the last few years, 20 to 25% is my health inflation rate. And that's ridiculously expensive. And as you expect more from the hospitals, you demand more, you expect better services, the cost of that will surely go up. It's already on the rise, and I think everyone can see that. So therefore, make sure you are well protected. Review your health insurance every once in couple of years, once in 3 years. And one myth which is in the market is that if my employer has given me a health insurance, I don't need to buy an insurance for myself from my own pocket. That's actually incorrect. The job may not be there. You may swap your job, you change your job, the new employer may not give you the same benefit. So therefore, and what happens when you retire or you take a sabbatical, start trying to do something of your own, then you need to buy that. And therefore, the ease of buying, as Vivek rightly said, is to buy at an early and a young age. That will go away. So make sure you buy the insurance policy immediately whenever you have the ability to do that. If not, your parents would have taken on your name, which you can carry it forward. So make sure that you have a health insurance policy of your name and in your dependent's name.